Welcome back. It is the fifth video of this channel. Someone had commented me to give him or her a conduction for class 10th. So I had used some difficult vocabulary for this. It is specially made for class 10th or 9th. I will not give you the tips as this is high level class conduction. So without wasting time, let's begin today's video. A very cheerful and joyful morning to our Honorable CEO Sir, Principal Ma'am, teachers and my dear schoolmates. My name is Dash, here today for conducting today's assembly on behalf of class 10th. It is a fortune to get a chance to represent ourselves in front of you. To achieve our goals, we have to work hard with amazing internal energy, and this energy is present in our heart and soul. This is none other than anything. So I like to invite Dash for the prayer and to remember the Almighty. We are the student of a shining institution. This means we are responsible, but our first responsibility is devotion to our nation. So I would like to invite Dash for the pledge. If we think positive and be positive, then all things will become positive. Thoughts are necessary to make our life positive and to inspire us. So thought of the day by Dash. When our heart fills with joy, teeth peaks. It means we are done now. So let's finish this assembly by singing national anthem. It is the time to leave now, friends. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video clip. Meet you in the next video. Bye friends. Be realistic and explore your creativity.